How to log out Vimeo from all other devices. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Vimeo login. Head over to the very first site. If you are logged into your account, you simply have to log out. And once you have been logged out, once again click on login at the very top. You will have to enter a login credential, as in, enter your email address. Once done, and even if you remember the password, you have to click on Forgot Your Password. Enter the active email address that you're using for your account. Once you have entered, tap on Help Me. You will receive one mail on your email address, where you will be able to reset your password. Tap on Reset Password and proceed to change your password. Once the password has been changed, your account will be logged out from all other devices in which your account is logged in, and after that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.